ACE inhibitor toxicity, represented by the ACE inhibitor with toxic green glow, can be remembered through the captopril mnemonic, embodied by Captain Pearl. The C stands for cough, coughing coffee, as increased bradykinin levels may result in a persistent dry cough. A is for angioedema, represented by the angel edamame, and P represents potassium changes, notably hyperkalemia, the hiker banana. Taste change, tongue with delta sign, represents T, a side effect due to the sulfhydryl group. O stands for hypotension, hypo-BP, which may also cause weakness, syncope, or dizziness. P stands for pregnancy changes, pregnant lady with a delta sign, as these drugs may pose significant risks in normal fetal development, especially the first trimester. R for rash, depicted by the rash and dermatologist, may be seen with high doses of captopril and is also associated with the sulfhydryl group found in ACE inhibitors. I represents increased renin levels, up arrow wrench, as negative feedback of angiotensin II conversion causes increased renin blood concentration. L stands for lower angiotensin II, down arrow angel tennis with 222, as the main mechanism of these drugs is to inhibit angiotensin converting enzyme, inhibiting formation of angiotensin II. So remember the mnemonic captopril for ACE inhibitor side effects of cough, angioedema, potassium changes like hyperkalemia, taste changes, hypotension, pregnancy changes, rash, increased renin, and lower angiotensin II.
Yarr! 'Twas a perfect storm, gentlemen, and we will always remember this fateful trip as the day we almost caught Captain Pearl. He'd cursed the ACE inhibitor to a toxic green fate, with those slimy toxic pearls of his, looted from the depths of a lost Atlantic island, where he'd kidnapped the coughing coffee and its drinker, the angel edamame. Times were rough aboard this vessel, with the protein and urinal providing the last scraps of any nourishment to the changing tasting tongue of the famished hippo BP. Captain had parlayed with the pitiful puppet of a pregnant lady, sowing the seeds for a mutant child, brandishing a delta triangle to ring in his impending arrival, and her recently developed scurvilicious rash. The ship was doomed for its final journey, as it was finally coming apart at the seams. Angel Tennis with the tutu ain't no dainty gal, pulling down that pulley to bring up the wrenches to the hiker banana to save these scallywags from their final demise.
So remember, the ACE inhibitor's been cursed to a toxic fate by Captain Pearl. Aboard the ship is a motley crew of a coughing coffee pot held by the angel edamame. She's disgusted by the protein and urinal being lapped up by the changing delta sign tongue of the hippo BP. The poor pregnant lady's developed a terrible rash and is about to give birth to a strange mutant child, holding a delta triangle. Wrenches are brought up by the down arrow angel tennis with the tutu to the hiker banana in hopes of repairing this doomed vessel.